start with our next topic called Live by Band. So what by Live by Band is very simple. When you know who is going to make the decisions in that company, the product is great, but you are not explaining to the right person who make the decisions in that company, or you are approaching the wrong approach is wrong, completely wrong, because you don't know who is the end decision maker would be. You would be explaining to all the team. For example, you're starting with your receptionist, which you just start with giving your card, and the next you will go ahead and explain to their manager. The manager will take you to the some ex that department head. Then you will go to the VP. See, you first find who make the decisions in that company, and your approach should be right and sharp. Either it takes time, work on that, and every company have the timelines of budget making. So in usually for example, if we take in India, all the budgets will close by the financial year. Before the financial year, everything closes. When we enter into the new financial year, we are open for the vendors. We give the new contracts. We look for the vendor changes. We look for the more options which is available around us. At that time is your time where you can just go and hit the right target. When you are hitting the right target, definitely you will see the closure, you will see the outcome, and you will see every company, every company would have a 6 months contract or 1 year contract. They'll not go by monthly contracts. Usually we start with quarterly, then annually. So every company will have quarterly contracts or annually contracts. We will not give a monthly, or usually in any kind of big brands, they will not go ahead with the monthly contracts. So whenever we are approaching a company, go ahead with the target, hitting target, who is listening, who is happy with your product, and you're confident about your product. Everything is available, but he is not the decision maker, but you're wasting your time there. So leave by band, very important. So just target the decision makers who can make the decision, and make sure you are reaching them before they're ending their old contracts and they are looking for the new vendors. That would be the time to get your business, my dear friends. My dear friends, very simple. Make it a strategy. Think whatever the industry you might be. You might be selling a daily consumer needs, or you might be selling a big service contracts, or you might be selling a small medium sized contracts, or whatever. So whatever your product it might be, reaching the right target and hitting at the right decision maker is very important in closures, my dear friend. This point is very important key. Don't waste your time explaining to everybody, and don't waste your energies. Where you have to hit, you should be clear, work with your mind, and hit them at the right time. You can make your decisions and you can close your deals. Wishing you more and more closures. Let me catch you with the next topic.